What's up, athletes, and welcome to your workout of the day. So today we are continuing our 90% on our lifts. Remember, this is the last week of our strength cycle, and next week we're going to be testing out, okay? We are targeting upper body today, a lot of shoulders, targeting different angles. We're going to start with a little warm-up, doing some banded W's, doing some scapular pull-ups, doing some front raises. That is really going to prime our shoulders for the strength part, which is going to focus on the strict press, okay? We're going to do a 9-minute AMRAP, okay? As many reps as possible. You're doing 2 strict presses at 90%. You're doing 4 strict chest to bar pull-ups if possible. And then you're doing 12 American kettlebell swings. That is, you're going to swing that kettlebell all the way overhead. Guys, you're going to be using a 53-pound kettlebell. Ladies, you're going to be using a 35-pound kettlebell, all right? Now, the strict press is your focus for today. So make sure that you're really looking for that upright front rack position. You're engaging your core, you're engaging your legs, you're avoiding any leaning back. Okay, 90%, again, this whole week is going to be heavy. We're not going to do a whole lot in terms of volume or in terms of cardio. We're going to drop down the intensity a little bit, but we are going heavy in reps, okay, just to kind of get the body ready for next week when we're testing out. So that 2 reps on the strict press, you want to make them quality. You want to avoid any leaning, any shifting. If that's the case, maybe drop the weight to an 88%, 85%, and scaling the weight a little bit. Maybe you're not quite ready for the 90%, which you should be. Okay, at this point, we are about 11 weeks into our strength cycle. We're about to finish it up, so everybody should have gotten a little bit stronger by now. And now we're just, doing the final little details, the final little touches. 4 strict pull-ups, chest to bar pull-ups, that is. If you need to use a band, use a small band. If you need to really modify that and go maybe to a barbell assisted or leg assisted pull-up, or maybe even ring rows, do that. Avoid any type of kips today, any type of jumping. We're not working on that today. We're working on strength, okay? So it's 4 reps. It's not that many. If you need to modify that number, maybe do just 3 reps. Again, try to work on your strength. And then 12 American kettlebell swings. This is going to jack up the heart rate just a little bit. You got to figure that the 2, 4, and 12, you're going to finish that anywhere between a minute to a minute and a half, depending on your efficiency of your movement, your transition time. So some of you guys can do 1 full round within a minute, and then you're going for 9 rounds. Now, again, you're trying to control that heart rate a little bit, something that it's more consistent. You're not trying to necessarily go crazy on the amount of reps. I know sometimes the score is important, but really what is important is to be diligent with the reps that we're doing, with the percentages that we're using. This is not the time really to try to go overboard on cardio or an intensity. We just want to get used to that 90% because next week we are trying to max out. That is the ultimate goal, is trying to find new numbers because then we can work on new percentages, okay? Have fun for today, guys, and I hope to see you at the gym.